What? Come already. Hey, wait. Huh? Shoes. Why you put like this? Oh. Because we wear shoes and come in the house, you know? Remember?
Sorry.
But it is actually just our family wants our shoes to be neat and tidy on the outside of our house.
Yes, it is disrespectful. Fork and spoon also cannot stick upright on rice. Not just rice. Noodles are also forbidden. Even with a fork, spoon, or even a knife. One more thing. Basically, we shouldn't do this to any kind of food.
For my family culture, my whole family will gather at my grandmother's house, which is located at Balik Pulau, Penang. According to Chinese tradition, we must stay awake on the night of the New Year's Eve to see the New Year coming. We do this to bid farewell to our old life and welcome our new life on the New Year. For the teens, there is another reason to do this, which is to extend their parents' lifespan or bless them longevity. My family will be having a campfire competition every year on the New Year's Eve to spend the night in a more fun and enjoyable way. By this, we are actually able to strengthen the bonds between us, and this became the event we, especially kids, look forward to the most every year.
Hey boy, come. Let me read this. I can see this. Hey boy, why you wearing shoes come inside? You cannot put your shoes outside now. If not, the ghost will follow your step come into your house, you know.
The truth is my parents told us this story so that we won't wear our shoes into our house, and this will keep our house clean.
Every time we get sick like cough or flu, my parents will be using a traditional method to treat, because we believe that every time we get sick, we are actually getting disturbed by god of sickness or a kind of negative energy. Then we will cover ourselves with a blanket to hide from the negative energies. Our family follows a traditional cough and flu treating method. It is a steam breathing method. But we add some herbs and balm into the hot water. Inhaling the smell of herbs, and by excessive sweating, the flu and cough will be treated. My family used to practice more natural treatment methods, which is one of my family's culture. Now my stuffy nose has loosened up, easy to breathe.
Basically, this is our family culture.
Give me
Watch our video. Thank you.
compliments is under here.